How to clear cache on Messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear cache on Messenger Lite. First thing, go to Messenger Lite and now just click this settings icon in the top corner. Click on it and here just go down and you will find this one, manage storage. And now all you need to do is just one click on this one, clear cache, and then click remove. And as you see, cache has been cleared, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.